So what they're asking for is to have the batteries changed. They think the batteries need to be changed. So go ahead and do that. The door has to be open when you change the batteries. And typically there's a battery pack here. So I'll take this off and then resume the video. Oop, don't have one of those battery packs. Take a picture and order it. Some of these electronic keypads, battery packs, you just use AA batteries. This one has a different wiring harness that's connected to the battery pack. So we'll just keep it the same. Battery's not dead. The reason I know that is because typically these electronic keypad locks will start beeping when you use them. That means it's a low battery, and it's not doing that. We'll continue. I made it back to this door lock problem, and I'll show you what's going on. Story on this lock. I did get the battery pack and returned the next day, and the battery was so low it would not unlock the door. Nobody has a key to the door. So the next day, I was able to find a key in my office, so I haven't tried it yet. I'll get the video and together and we'll see if the key works, and then I should be good. Okay, 2589 is the code, but if we get that red light at the top, that is not good. Yesterday the battery was too low to engage the solenoid. So 2589 pound. See, not gonna let me in. Let's try that key I picked up. Sorry about the darkness here. Oh, big bro. Well, let's see if going over the top is a choice. Nope, it's drywalled all the way up to the next deck. Here, I'm just going to cut me an access hole. I have 2 sheets of 5/8 sheetrock and some fiberglass for insulation for sound deadening to remove. All right, I have an opening made. Got ceiling tile removed. And down there is the handle for the door, which I need to pull up or push down and the door will open. So this is what I'm going to use for a hook to pull the handle up on the inside of the door.
Not easy, but gets it done. Now I'm changing the battery pack. I wish it could have been a hell of a lot simpler, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Not leaving much options. All right, 2589 is the code. 2589 pound. Perfect. No red light. Perfect. First time it unlocks, then you have to put your code in each time. That's locked again. Good to go. Just got to clean up a little bit of dust mess. I have a vacuum. I'll vacuum it later, but we'll skip that on the video. This work order is complete. Of course, I'll tidy up the ceiling like I was never here before.